Negative pressure vacuum can crimping machine factory. The main motor of the equipment and the turntable motor are servo controlled to make the equipment run more safely, stably and intelligently. With the help of the suction effect of the vacuum pump, the air storage tank connected to the sealing chamber of the concealing machine is permanently in a negative pressure state. The can body does not rotate during the sealing process, which is safer. It is an ideal packaging equipment for pet food, seafood products.